Get out of my room, please. Get my phone.
Hey, my Weesie Nation. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing my kids' room tour and kitchen and also the bathroom. Yeah, it's something new in there that I gave the kids for spring with the cleaning. So I want y'all to come on along. Tell me how you like everything. And everything will be in my description box down below. So where I got things from, where I got everything from. So I want y'all to stay in tune and don't forget to like this video and share with other friends and your family member, everyone, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to get right into the video. Okay, we're going in the girls' room. I'm about to show you. The girls' room. The decoration I did in the girls' room. This is Shantae's bed. Okay. Shantae's bed. Her bed has an 8-piece comforter set. And as you can see, spring is here. And she has the soft pink color on her bed, along with the comforter and some pillows to match. And we're going over to Tania's bed, and she has also the same comforter, pillows, and sheet. And I also decorate the window. They have the window with the sheer curtains, where you can, and then you also can see outside. Nice background. See out the back window, the view. And the curtains sheer, like I say, sheer. And so this is Tania's bed. And up on the wall, they have pictures. And then the TV. Her loaded glass decorate water jar. Isn't that pretty? That she made, Tania made. Okay, her light, I don't think it's on. But this also lights up. This lights up. She turns it on at night. It changes colors. And tap it. And it changes colors with the tap. Look at there. That's pretty. Okay. I'm going to go into his bed. Over back at Shantae's bed. And she also have open on her side. Her little stand is gray. To match it's gray. It also match the comforter, her bed. And she also, what she got for Christmas, her light, her mirror, iHome, would also, it plays the music in the mirror, and her award that she won, Shantae, the star, call her a star. And she also have on her wall her decoration. And there go her little plaque that she got from the family. Okay. So yeah, I want y'all to comment and let me know how I did on decorating the girls' room. So yeah. And they also have the black rug. The black rug came from Amazon. And the comforter set, the 8-piece comforter set came from Walmart. And also the curtain, Walmart. And you see they got the LED lights all around the wall. Changes colors, so that's pretty. I'm gonna let y'all see with the lights out. So that's nice. So yeah, I got them ready for spring. The springtime, spring and summertime, you know. So I want y'all to let me know, comment down below, and let me know how I did with the girls' room. Good job. Okay. Now we about to enter into the bathroom, where you see my toilet with the black cover on top. Then you go over to the towel rack. You have 2 towels with Hope on it. Then you have my shower curtain that has the Bible verses. Then you have the trash can that also have the Bible verses. Then you see you have a gray rug and also a black rug. The gray rug is in front of the tub. Then you have the black rug in front of the toilet. Then you go over to the sink. And you have the toothbrush holder that also have the Bible verse. That matches the shower curtain. And also, the towel. So I'm surprising the girls to show them the new room tour. And well, I just showed y'all the new room tour. So now I'm about to show the girls how their room look after me decorating. So I want y'all to come on. I'm about to take the girls inside their room to show them what it look like. So are you ready, girls?
Yeah. Act like I'm a kid.
All right, so you ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. All right, follow me. Grab onto me.
I can see where my room at.
Grab onto me. You got your eyes open?
No.
All right, come on over. Go in the middle.
Ah.
Shanta here. Tania over. Why are you walking in the wall? She walking up in the wall. Oh, go over. Come on, Tania. Over that side.
I just want Tania went in first.
No, Tania right there acting. Lily, come on over. Over this way. Tania, stop moving. Why you moving? Up in the wall. Look at this. I'm in the wall. All right.
Right
Turn around.
to the wall?
Come. Turn, Tania. Look at them acting silly.
Go.
Okay, are you ready to open the eyes? Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. Are you ready to open?
Yeah.
Okay. Tania, you to the wall. Where you gonna see?
Tell me.
Are you gonna open? Turn around.
No.
Turn around, Tania.
Tell me to open.
Okay, open.
Good job.
Ah, what y'all think? Did I do a good job?
You did good. There's eyelash stuck in my eye.
Y'all like the room?
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's fine.
Okay.
Nice.
Huh?
I like this.
All right. What y'all give it?
11 out of, wait, no. 20 out of,
Good job, mother.
20 out of 20.
All right. Okay, what you have to say, Tania?
I don't have nothing to say.
Huh?
I don't have nothing to say.
You don't have nothing to say about your room?
No.
New comforters, new sheets.
Yeah.
And is your color, your little favorite color, pink? Is that
No.
soft pink?
No, not this
And
It's not this type of color.
but the pink is soft. And then you got a bunch of pillows. This Tania's. She's already sitting on her little bed. And this is Shantae's. Shantae's. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Get out of my room, please. Get my face.
This is the before look. Are you ready to squeeze the day? There go my curtains that came from Family Dollar with lemons. Springy, nice and springy. Then we go over to my wall where I have my 2 mittens hang up at. That came as a set. That also came from Family Dollar. And go down my rug. Came from Family Dollar, squeeze the day. And my other rug that's in front of this refrigerator, squeeze the day. So all of these came from Family Dollar. I hope you like them.